Hello and welcome to InfoBurst. Today our topic is about why do Boeing planes keep crashing over and over. Boeing planes have faced numerous crashes causing widespread concern about their safety. The most notorious of these incidents involved the Boeing 737 MAX, which suffered two catastrophic crashes in 2018 and 2019. These accidents led to the tragic deaths of 346 people and brought intense scrutiny to Boeing and its practices. Viewers, the Boeing 737 MAX was initially hailed as a breakthrough in aviation technology, expected to revolutionize air travel with its advanced features. However, this optimism was shattered by a critical flaw in the plane's maneuvering characteristics augmentation system. The MCAS was designed to prevent the aircraft's nose from pitching upward due to its larger engines, but it ended up being a source of danger. The system relied on data from angle of attack sensors to make adjustments. Unfortunately, faulty sensors provided incorrect information, causing the MCAS to force the plane's nose down repeatedly, even when it was not necessary. Pilots were left struggling to regain control, often with disastrous results. Viewers, the first crash occurred in October 2018, when Line Air Force 610 plunged into the Java Sea shortly after takeoff, killing all 189 passengers and crew. This was followed by another crash in March 2019, when Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 crashed near Addis Ababa, claiming 157 lives. Investigation revealed that pilots had not been adequately informed about the MCAS and its potential risk. The system's aggressive behavior was barely mentioned in the manuals, leaving pilots ill-prepared to handle such a scenario. Adding to the controversy, it was found that Boeing had pressured regulatory bodies to expedite the 737 MAX certification process. This rush led to insufficient scrutiny of the aircraft design and safety features. As a result, aviation authorities worldwide grounded the 737 MAX, causing significant financial and reputational damage to Boeing. This grounding lasted nearly 2 years, during which Boeing worked to address software issues and improve pilot training. Viewers, however, the 737 MAX crisis was not an isolated incident. Boeing has faced other significant problems with different models. The 787 Dreamliner, for instance, experienced battery fires in 2013. More recently, issues such as unexpected engine shutdowns and loose hardware have plagued the company. These recurring problems point to deeper issues within Boeing's corporate culture. Experts argue that Boeing's culture shifted from being engineering-led to profit-driven, especially after its merger with McDonnell Douglas in 1997. This change in focus meant that meeting deadlines and cutting costs often took precedence over thorough testing and safety. Employees and whistleblowers have raised concerns about this shift, indicating that rigorous quality assurance was sometimes compromised to streamline production. Furthermore, Boeing's workforce has also been affected. The company laid off thousands of experienced workers, and when demand required increased production, newer and less experienced staff were brought in hastily. This practice diluted that expertise available on the production floor, leading to further quality control issues. Viewers, in response to these challenges, both Boeing and the Federal Aviation Administration have been forced to make significant changes. Boeing has been overhauling its internal procedures, aiming to comply better with manufacturing standards and enhance its safety culture. The FAA, on the other hand, has been reconsidering its oversight practices to ensure that aircraft manufacturers are held to higher safety standards. Despite these efforts, the road to regaining public trust is long and arduous. Boeing is at a critical juncture where it must demonstrate its commitment to safety and transparency. The company has announced various initiatives to improve pilot training and integrate more robust design practices. These steps are being closely monitored by aviation authorities and the industry to ensure they lead to safer skies. The FAA's role in crucial is the process. The agency must lighten its regulatory oversight and ensure the Boeing's corrective measures are not just sufficient but exemplary. Restoring confidence in air travel requires rigorous verification of Boeing's fixes and future models. The FAA needs to ensure that safety protocols are not compromised and that public trust is reinsisted. Viewers, aviation remains one of the safest modes of transportation, with a fatality rate of about 1 death per 16 million flights. However, the 737 MAX incidents have highlighted the urgent need for systematic changes to maintain and enhance this safety record. The aviation industry must learn from these tragedies to prevent similar incidents in the future. As Boeing moves forward, the scrutiny will be intense. The company's future depends on its ability to implement effective safety measures and regain trust from airlines, passengers, and regulatory bodies. Boeing has pledged to be more transparent in its operations. A crucial step is rebuilding its credibility. The effectiveness of these measures will ultimately determine whether Boeing can recover from its current predominancy and restore its position in the aerospace industry. Stay tuned to InfoBurst for more updates on this and other important topics. We strive to keep you informed, enlightened, and engaged with the world around you. Thank you for joining us in this detailed exploration of Boeing's ongoing challenges. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will see you in the next video on InfoBurst.